Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong June 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see ano yung energies for you. June 2026, can you imagine? Kaka-start lang dati ng 2026. Ngayon nangangalahati na, di ba? Okay, Aries energies. Oh, protection, 444. You will be protected. Maaring may ipoproteksyonan ka, sarili mo, mahal sa buhay, mga importanteng bagay sa'yo, or you really need protection. Pwedeng merong mga energies around you who are trying to, alam mo na, trying to do something that is not good. So, maging maingat. Protect your energies. Perseverance. Ayan, mas magiging malakas rin ang iyong pagpupursige sa buhay. Oo. Maaring meron kang gustong mga ma-achieve ngayong June. And this is about you protecting your goals, your dreams. Okay? Mas makakabuti na kung ano man yung mga plano mo or mga projects mo, ginagawa mo. Keep it to yourself until andyan na siya, until maayos na, until may resulta na. And have faith. Have faith in your dreams, have faith in your goals. And of course, sa sarili mo. Magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Ayan. So, let's see ano pa. Ito yung mga numbers, check nyo na lang kung significant sa inyo yung 444, 202, 202, 1010. This can be new beginnings for you as well, no? Pwedeng merong partnership, like a project na gagawin mo together with someone in your life. Let's see, your overall energy is the Seven of Pentacles. This is waiting for fruition. Saturn in Taurus. Okay, so Saturn is the planet of pagtatrabaho. So, maaring kayo ay meron kayong tatrabahuhin ngayong April na sa una pwedeng medyo challenging. Pero kung magpupursige ka, 'di ba? Magpupursige ka at maniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, then definitely you will be able to achieve your goals at meron niyang solusyon. May rewards. Ayan o. You're just waiting for fruition. Kumbaga, nagtanim ka, nakikita mo na tumutubo na yung mga itinanim mo, pero hindi pa siya hinog. Okay? So, kumbaga, naghihintay ka na lang. Hinihintay mo na lang na yung anihan. Ayan. So, maaring June, makikita mo yung resulta, pero pwede mo na siyang pitasin. Rewarding na yun sa'yo pagdating ng July. Okay. What else? Okay, tinan natin yung ayan, may nilabas pa siya. You have, may success, the World. You have the Death card and the Hermit. So, this is about transformation, change. May matatapos, may magsisimula. The World is also about accomplishment. So, meron kang major na ma-accomplish ngayong June. This can be related rin sa mga let's say, pangarap mo kung meron kang plans to go abroad, to move to a new place. And the Hermit is someone na nagre-reassess ng kanyang situation. So, maaring meron ka ring mga iba, parang may backup, no? Meron kang gustong backupan. Or meron kang goal, sinisimulan mo na yan, or ginagawa mo na, pero at the same time, meron ka pang reserba. Alam mo yun, na tipong, hindi ka lang nakaasa dun sa tinatrabaho mo, meron ka pang nakareserba. Okay? Let's see your challenge. What is the challenge for Aries ngayong June? New Moon, o ayan, ang challenge sa inyo, new beginnings. Kung paano ka mag-set ng intentions, magsisimula, 'di ba? Kung meron kang bagong idea, tapos naisip mo baka hindi 'yun mag-work for you or nag-aalinlangan ka, may doubt ka sa sarili mo, 'di ba? So, ang challenge sa iyo is how are you going to make it happen? How are you going to take a risk and take action? So, you need to have faith, and of course, meron ka ring yung consistency, okay? Kung ano man tong mga sinisimulan mo. Now, your opportunity is the Empress. Oh my God, ang ganda ng opportunity mo. Venus energy. So, this is about abundance, prosperity. 'Di ba? May opportunity ka na makita yung mga resulta ng pinagpaguran mo. And the Empress, it symbolizes abundance. So, merong magandang mga paparating pa sa'yo. This is also an opportunity to take care of yourself, self-love, self-care, ganyan. Oo, magandang ani. Oo, yun yung naririnig ko dyan. Merong magandang ani. Okay, let's see your blessing. King of Pentacles. Oh, di ba? Ano ba? Ano pa ba ang gusto nyo, Aries? Oh, may abundance. This is also victory in your career, your business. It's like, ikaw yung parang nangunguna. Another blessing is maaring part ng transition kanina, di ba? Pagbabago ay merong opportunity for you na maging leader. Yan, may promotion sa work mo. Di ba? Let's see what else for Aries ngayong June 2026. You have lost. Uy, may nawawala. Ay, tinan nyo. Lumipad pala to, oh. Yung iba sa inyo nawalan kayo ng spark. Na parang akala nyo hindi na darating sa inyo yung interest, yung inspiration. But, lo and behold, ayan, meron kang ipagpapasalamat dahil babalik yung spark mo, babalik yung intensity ng energy mo when it comes to achieving your goals, your dreams ngayong June. Kasi importante talaga para ma-achieve natin ang ating mga goals and dreams is you have that spark to begin, to start, di ba? You need to start somewhere. And yung spark na yon, yan yung panimula mo. Tower, unplug and relax for a spell. So some of you will also give time para sa sarili mo na mag-disconnect sa paligid mo para mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, 'di ba? Yun nga, practicing self-love, self-care, that's the Empress energy. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.